Can I use Epo Obo after sex? Can I use Epo Obo to manifest money? Is Epo Obo a closed practice? Can I use your Epo Obo products while I'm on my period? I'm not Nigerian or West African. Can I use Epo Obo? My pastor says Epo Obo and other herbal medicines used in Isheshe and African spirituality are demonic and evil. Is this true? Will Epo Obo help me with sexual and spiritual dreams? If you have the bark, you can take a piece of the bark, speak your intentions, wrap it in a piece of white fabric, put that under your pillow. We're talking Epo Obo, anti-witchcraft bark. For those who don't know, it is widely used in Nigeria and West Africa. In Nigeria, it's called Epo Obo, anti-witchcraft bark. It's used for spiritual protection, for cleansing, to reverse evil spells, curses, get rid of negative energy, things of that nature. Today, I'm answering your Epo Obo questions because I get a lot of DMs about Epo Obo. People have all these questions, so I'm going to be answering them as and when I can. I'm Agbó nirègún, aka NaijaZen. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications for more about spirituality, specifically African spirituality, Ifa, Isheshe, Orishas, herbs, all that good stuff. Is Epo Obo a closed practice? Is Epo Obo a closed practice? I don't know why, but I've been getting this one a lot recently. First of all, Epo Obo is not a practice. Epo Obo is a bark. It is a gift of nature. This is Epo Obo. It's not a practice. It is a bark. It is a gift of nature. So it's not a practice. And I just want to say something because I'm getting this not just from people in the diaspora. I am getting this from other Africans, and I find it very baffling. So I'm just going to make you think for a little minute. Say you're in Kenya, because I did get this question from a couple of people in Kenya as well, Uganda, South Africa, everywhere. Our ancestors used to always travel all over the continent before it was called Africa, before there was a Kenya, before there was Ghana, before there was Nigeria, before there was, Uganda. They went all over the place, right? Do you think if your ancestor left what is now present-day Kenya, went to Nigeria, discovered Epo Obo and all the wonderful things it could do you think your ancestor would have had a problem taking that back to Mombasa, Nairobi, wherever, and sharing that with family and friends? No. They would not. So let's move away from some of this thinking. Remember, these are artificial borders that were put in place by the partitioning of Africa, by the colonizers, the enslavers, the invaders. Our ancestors moved freely across the continent, and they would have shared some of these ideas, these gifts with each other. So relax. It's not a practice. Anyone can use Epo Obo. You don't even have to be African. You don't even have to be Black. Epo Obo can be used by anyone. Can I use Epo Obo after sex? I get this one a lot, and I've answered this before, but here we go. Yes, Epo Obo is a great all-around spiritual cleanser. It can be used after intimacy. A lot of you guys have my Ginla and Epo Obo Cleanse and Protect soap, and many of you use that. Some of you use the scent leaf and precocet soap, which also has Epo Obo, which was created specifically to be used after intimacy. Epo Obo is a great cleanser. It's great for protection, and it's a wonderful idea to use a soap with Epo Obo, or, if you have some other spiritual cleanser of your choice after intimacy, because when you have intimacy, you are taking on all kinds of energies from that individual, because it's not just a physical exchange. When you have sex, it's also a spiritual exchange. It's an energy exchange. Can I use your Epo Obo products while I'm on my period? Okay, for this one, I'm going to go with the elders and tradition and say no. Generally speaking, a lot of spiritual products and certain appeasements and anything of that nature, they're usually avoided during that time of the month. However, and I say this, I've also consulted with my elders, if you were under some sort of spiritual attack and Epo Obo was all you had to use, or an Epo Obo product, I don't think anyone is going to frown on you for using that to save yourself. So what I will say is allow your Ori to lead and guide you. But generally speaking, these things are avoided at that time of the month. I hope that helps. I'm not Nigerian or West African. Can I use Epo Obo? I think that ties in with the is it a closed practice question? So yes, it's a gift from Olodumare. It's a gift of nature. Anyone and everyone should be using Epo Obo. My pastor says Epo Obo and other herbal medicines used in Isheshe and African spirituality are demonic and evil. Is this true? No, no, no. This is all part of the BS. It's part of the Abrahamic brainwashing that has paralyzed Africa. No, it is not true. You will be surprised what your pastor has in his closet. I'm sure he has a whole lot more than a bark. And you know what really kind of baffles me? Abrahamic folks believe in the omnipotent God, omniscient God, omni. If that God, all knowing, all powerful, all seeing, created the tree from which we get this bark, why would their God have done so? Seeing as that's the only God and that's what they believe in, why would that God have given us Epo Obo? So sometimes we just have to use a little bit of common sense. There's nothing evil or demonic about Epo Obo or Ewe Abamoda or Ewe Wuro or any of the things that, may be used. Can I use Epo Obo to manifest money? This is another common question. I get this one a lot. The answer is yes, but you have to understand how it works. Okay? If you're experiencing lack, Ifa sees that as an illness, which is why when you do Ifa divination and you say an illness, it's not necessarily always a physical illness. It can be because you're experiencing lack. It can also have to do with your character. So that means that there is a cause of this lack. And so Epo Obo would be something that you can use to get rid of that negative energy, or as I call it, the funk and the junk. Get that out of the way to make room for the prosperity and abundance, because abundance is your birthright. So in that way, Epo Obo can be used and is used. That's why you'll find Epo Obo, for instance, it's in my road opener soap, because, you have a blockage, you want to open the roads, so you'll find Epo Obo in different kind of soaps and things of that nature that can help you boost your prosperity and abundance. Will Epo Obo help me with sexual and spiritual dreams? If you're having dreams that you don't really care for, whether they're, sexual in nature or someone is feeding you, there are various dreams that seem to trouble people. Epo Obo can help you. If you have the soap, for instance, my Iginla Epo Obo Cleanse and Protect soap, you can use that. Or you can use, if you have the bark, soak the bark in some water for a few hours or overnight. Use the water to bathe. If you have the powder, you can take a couple teaspoons of the powder, a teaspoon of sea salt, add that to the water, use that to bathe. If you have the bark, you can take a piece of the bark, speak your intentions, wrap it in a piece of white fabric, put that under your pillow. There are various things you can do, but putting it under the pillow, using it to bathe has been very effective with a lot of people who experience these dreams that they don't want. Some people don't mind their dreams even when they're sexual in nature, but if they bother you, or you've been told there's some kind of spiritual husband, wife, spouse, whatever it is, issue, people will try this. And another tip for you, some people also use prekese for dreams. So yes, Epo Obo can help you. But I want to remind you guys, however you are using Epo Obo, always, or any other bark, herb, root, spiritual product, soap, oil, whatever it is, always remember to speak your intentions. You have that ashe in your words. Use it to your advantage. If you're using a soap, While you're in the shower, speak, speak, speak. If you're putting the Epo Obo under your pillow as you're wrapping it in the fabric, speak, speak, speak. If you're using Epo Obo powder to make a floor wash for your home, there will be another video on that. Speak, speak, speak. You get the picture. Use your power. Use your ashe to either banish or manifest whatever you want in your life. Again, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'm Agbó nirègún, NaijaZen. Thanks for watching. You can check out my site at naijazen.co if you want to book a consultation or if you want to purchase some Epo Obo, anything of that nature. See you soon.